the most important area of reform are the police reforms. There have been a number of attempts in reforming police, but still some of the reforms were so rapid. There were reforms one after the other. There should have been some time to look at the reforms that were introduced, and then gradually, if there were problems in those reforms, it should have been then amended according to if they were not fulfilling or not meeting the objectives. So one of the most important thing is, and especially this is in rural areas, but in cities as well, we find that police is highly politicized. I think this is something very important, depoliticization of police. KP has tried to, in the recently, KP has depoliticized police in number of ways, and recruitment, and they have introduced some reforms, some good reforms. So the need for depoliticization of police and the use of certain specialized forces like the elite force which is created, it should be used for the purpose rather than for the security of the VIP. So need for depoliticize. This is important. Although this reform, it is easier said than done, but then this is the starting point for introducing reforms. And there's a need that that this particular force must be depoliticized. Investigation, although this is police, this investigation is a very specialized area, and it is important that whoever is posted in the investigation should have the skills of a detective and should be a specialist. That requires a lot of merit, and it requires the not only political will but also the administrative will to post such people in this particular branch. Although the investigators are from the police, but only those people who have some kind of a specialization. In addition, police station, this is another important area. Police station's environment is very intimidating. It needs to be reformed. It needs to be changed. Although there is a lot of demand from the public that police environment, that this should be the starting point of reforming the police. That is the police station. It should become more responsive to the needs of the people. And in the Access to Justice program, one of the objectives was to reform the police stations as well. But there is a lot to be done in this particular area. Simplification of registration of genuine FIR from the false one without involving the court. That means that if a FIR is a false one or a fake one and it's not genuine, then there should be some easier method to withdraw or to cancel such an FIR. These should be simplified procedures for that. And there are a lot of, that's why the police, the SHOs do not register, do not accept the FIRs because one doesn't know who is true. So after some little investigation, that should be looked into. But still, if there is a false FIR, the mechanisms to cancel such FIRs should be simplified. Community policing, I think this has been repeatedly in all the reform reports that have come up. There is a demand for community policing, and I think this helps a lot in reducing a crime. The DPOs, that is the district police officer, or the CCPO, as the case may be, must ensure that the SHO communicates with the police, which means that the SHO, although communicates with the police, but his objectivity and neutrality is important. So the seniors must ensure that the SHO is not only communicating with the community, he's listening to all people in the community, the rich and the poor and the not so poor, and everybody must have, there must be some kind of a committee or a council in which the people of the community should sit and the SHO should have a constant meeting with such committee. That helps in reducing the crime. If there's not, the important thing is, as said earlier, that the seniors must see that the juniors, especially the SHO, are performing their duties, and there must be strong accountability mechanisms to ensure that things happen as they are designed, as they are planned. Things should not be left on that they will happen automatically because just an order or instruction has been passed. Use of technology, although there is a use of technology under various reforms, under the reforms, the money that came in, equipment was provided, and so I think this has to be increased, the use of technology in digitizing crime record, in fingerprints, in developing database of guests who come and stay in hotels and inns, etc. There must be a data which should be with the police, and not in a very intimidating way, but in a way that it conceals, in a very concealed way. The data must be available to the police station. I'm going to show you few pictures of the police station. یہ ایک پکچر ہے جو کہ ایک رورل ایریا، سندھ کے رورل ایریا سے کی ہے، اور یہ پولیس اسٹیشن کی پکچر ہے. اور اس میں اگر آپ اس بورڈ کو دیکھیں تو اس میں آپ کو کلوزلی دیکھیں تو آپ کو پتہ چل جائے گا کہ یہ کس پولیس اسٹیشن کی ہے. اور اس میں اس کی جس وقت یہ پکچر لی گئی اس وقت اس پکچر میں آپ کو ٹائم بھی نظر آ رہا ہے. اس وقت یہ پولیس اسٹیشن آلموسٹ کہنا چاہیے ایک ابینڈنڈ جگہ لگ رہی تھی. یہاں پہ بہت کم لوگ تھے جو یہاں پر موجود تھے. آپ کو ایک کارنر میں، اگرچہ یہ ایک رورل ایریا کی پکچر ہے، آپ کو ایک کارنر میں ایک کمپیوٹر بھی جو ہے وہ نظر آ رہا ہے. سو دس از گیونگ اے ویری ناٹ اے ویری آلدو اس کی بہت مینٹیننس کی ضرورت ہے، لیکن یہ کوئی اتنی امپریسو جگہ نظر نہیں آ رہی ہے. یہ بھی وہی پولیس اسٹیشن ہے، اور اس کی جو دیواریں اور سارے جو ماحول ہے وہ کوئی پولیس اسٹیشن والا کوئی ایسا پروفیشنل آرگنائزیشن نہیں لگ رہی ہے. یہ بھی کوئی اسی طرح سے ہے. لاک آؤٹ ہے یہ، اور اسی پولیس اسٹیشن کا لاک آؤٹ ہے. ابینڈنڈ، ڈیزرٹڈ یہ ہے. تو all in all that we can say about the reforms, that if any reform has taken place, اس میں جو زیادہ پرائرٹی ملی ہے وہ یا کچھ بہتر ہوئے ہیں، ماڈل پولیس اسٹیشنز بنائے گئے ہیں. وہ پولیس اسٹیشنز اربن ایریاز کے ہیں. رورل ایریاز جہاں پہ پاکستان کی زیادہ پاپولیشن رہتی ہے، 69% پاپولیشن رورل ایریاز میں رہتی ہے. اگر وہاں کے پولیس اسٹیشنز کو دیکھا جائے تو وہاں پہ زیادہ توجہ کی ضرورت ہے. اور اگرچہ رورل اور اربن ایریاز میں دونوں جگہ ہے اس کی ضرورت، لیکن رورل ایریاز میں چونکہ زیادہ پاپولیشن رہتی ہے تو ریفارمز کی اور تبدیلی اگر کوئی نظر آئے تو رورل ایریاز میں سے اس کی ابتدا ہو تو وہ اس کا ایک بہتر امپیکٹ ہوگا.